Hello, today I'm very excited to review this beautiful large jewelry box provided by Homde. So I was provided the sample and it's fox leather in white. The buckles are color gold and it's a large jewelry set. So I would like to start by opening it, and this is how it looks. It has a mirror, as you can see. It has the space for the rings. I would like to show it like this. For the rings, it has the space for the earrings, for chains. So here it has the first compartment has these two large uh, compartments where you can put your jewelry, you can put bracelets, you can put chains. This is for your necklaces. This is for the chains that you put around your waist. It's so pretty. I love it. Here it has to hang the chains. You can hang them and then you can close it the same as the other side. Last but not least, it has this compartment that I would like to show you. This is for your watches. This is for your watches. And you put it right here. And this is a travel jewelry set. This is very convenient. You can take it anywhere and everywhere. It has a mirror, and inside it has the space for the earrings, for the chains, for the rings. It's just so beautiful. You store it right here in the last drawer, and you can organize your jewelry. It has plenty of space. It's very spacious. It's big, as you can see. Has plenty of space. It makes a perfect gift for a Mother's Day, for a birthday, for Valentine's. I love it. I'm very happy with this jewelry set. It's large, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.